Hi guys, it's Llewellyn from A System. Today I've got a quick tip for you if you've got cable ties that's become brittle or that snaps very easily. So nylon raw material is a moisture sensitive product, and when we manufacture cable ties, when we put the cable tie in the bag, we inject a certain percentage of water inside the packet before we seal the bag. And then the nylon absorbs the water in the packet, and that's what keeps your cable tie nice and flexible. So if you do have cable ties that become brittle or that snaps easily, put them in a bag, take a little bit of water, spray a bit of water in the packet, and then close the packet. And then you'll see in a couple of days' time, the nylon cable tie has absorbed all the water and your cable tie is nice and flexible again. Alternatively, if you can't wait a couple of days for it to absorb the water, you can take a bucket, fill it with some hot water, empty the cable ties into the bucket, leave it in for a couple of minutes, and take them out, and then you'll see your cable ties nice and flexible again. I also recommend, if you do use your cable ties, is not to rip the bag open and leave the cable ties exposed, but to make a small hole on the side of the packet and rather just pull out the cable ties like that. Thank you. Next time we'll show you how we make them.